Flooding and water damage can happen at any time to any home. One broken pipe can quickly flood a basement. A washing machine can malfunction, leaving a mess. Fortunately, finding a reliable water extraction company is just a phone call away. Day or night, we are here to help you manage your home water emergency. It's always comforting to know that the best water extraction pros are ready to quickly restore your home. When a water emergency strikes, you've got a lot on your mind. One simple call to Water Damage USA will completely restore your home. We take care of all of the cleaning and repairs so that you can focus on getting on with your life. Write this number down, 888-424-0570, and keep it handy. That number again, 888-424-0570. When a water emergency strikes, we'll be there for you. You'll be glad you called the water extraction experts at Water Damage USA at 888-424-0570.